So this is the train tracks. And there's another one over there.
No, not train. The old train.
And the old train is over there. And it's rocky. So this is the train track, the one I'm standing on. And that's the train car. As you can see here, unfortunately, the train is not running today. But anyways, but the wheels go there. Yeah, I don't think the train might be running today because the train is not here the way it looks. Yeah, it's just a train track. So the train is not running today. Yeah, I don't see a train running today.
You want to take a picture of in front of the train?
So, the train is not necessarily running today. As you can see, you cannot see there's no train around here. So the train, that's a box car.
Oh.
That's a car. So guys, that's the train car. As you can see here, the train is not running today, but as you can see here, there's a cargo train over there. I don't know if that's a train. I think it must be someone. So guys, this is really empty because there's no people around here. It's just those tracks and this crane thing and those train tracks over there. And as you can see here, it's a little bit rusty. I think it might be rusty because there's so many rocks. So guys, there's no railroad crossing. There's no railroad crossing here today, but there's no railroad crossing, but yeah, I don't think this is a railroad crossing. It's just everything is empty right here. As you can see, there's no people around here. So over there, those are only the train tracks. Yeah, those are only the train tracks. Yeah, those are only the train tracks. But as you can see here, there are two tracks there, but they're not running right now. The way it already looks. So guys, so this is the end of this video. So if you want to watch more of my videos, then spell my name. Do you know how to spell my name?
Yeah, they have. Oh, you want with you? I will take a picture.
Okay.
You go up there.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more of my videos, spell my name. E-L-I and then my last name, B-A-R-A-Q-U-I-O.
Okay.
So that's my YouTube channel.
I'll take a picture.
So
with you.
guys, please hope you like and subscribe.